Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on the option Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. So here we have to tap on Reset All Settings and confirm it by tapping on Reset. Here we've got the information that all settings will be reset and this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset if you're ready, and now we have to simply wait until all of these settings will be reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.